Hey! So I'm here today with an Owlcrate unboxing. I just received it in the mail and this will be my second unboxing. I did one for my Spearcraft book box, which I just did virtually and did it through like a live stream. I just wanted to see how it'd work. So this time I decided to do an actual unboxing as I thought it'd be a lot of fun. This one, as you can see, it's very pretty. I love the box design. It's really well made and it has lots of really pretty bits to it. Each side has a slightly different idea and the back has their logo. When we open it, I'll show you here. I already undid it. You can see it has a guide to unbox and if you give a hoot, and then it says like how to promote on social media, so you can snap a photo and film your unboxing experience like I'm doing. You could share it and show off your treats to the community, and you can snuggle up and get cozy with your new book. So definitely plan on doing all of that. So you can see first, there's the beautiful pamphlet stuff at the top and the little packing pieces. Look how pretty this is. Hopefully the camera will get it without getting a lot of glare. I can turn a little. But really beautiful. This box's theme is Growing Wild. This is the spoiler card, so I'm not going to read that. They have this beautiful pamphlet in there as well. Not sure if this is a poster or a pamphlet. Let's just take a look. Ashley Poston, interview with the author. Okay, so this is... Okay, let's just take a look here. Has information on different flowers, just for fun. It has like birth stuff. So it looks like this is like a little newsletter they put out. Peppermint lines. The author. Okay. I don't want to spoil this for you guys. Now, funny enough, I think this is the book I got in my other crate. So that's interesting. So I'll take all this stuff out and get all the little bits and bobs. Beautiful packaging. Look at this. Gorgeous design. It says, flowers and hearth fires, spiced wine, and underneath the scent of home. This beautiful flower press to dry and preserve lovely floral pieces and leaves, perfect for adding a special touch to your journey or your journal entries and craft projects. That's really fun. So it's like a little flower press. Let's just open that up and see what it looks like. I'm just going to move this box over actually. I'm already very excited about this. So this will be great for my bullet journaling because I can add flowers and stuff to it. If this is what I think it is, which it sounds like it is. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Okay, I don't want to mess this up. So it's got some screws. This is how to use. So prepare your flowers, place them in the paper, let them sit for 3 to 4 weeks. So that's really cool. Should have done a comparison with these two boxes. This is gorgeous. So basically, it's a little like a book press. You have a plate on the front and back as Ethera to grow. Oh, I'm guessing this is Latin or something. So it says as to Thera and then bottom it says to grow. I'm assuming these are the bits you press it with. These are like little flat discs, and then there's some cardboard spacers. Might explain that otherwise. And then it just says Owlcrate on the back. This is a very clever, unique item. I really like this. It's maybe... This box is already super exciting, just having this little element here. We'll put it aside and see what's next. Next, you took the truth and you made it into flowers. So the theme of this box is wild and lots of flowers. This is really pretty. Ooh, wow. Look at that. So I don't know if it'll come across on the camera. It's a pressed, camera, come on. See if it'll focus. It's a pressed dandelion. This is gorgeous. Let's see how long the string is. Nice long chain. Actually a bit longer than I would normally wear, but easy to like put over my head. So you can see it has the beautiful little bulb at the bottom there. Okay. And let's see here, what's next? Stickers. Now, something you need to know about these before I show them to you is my bullet journal this month is actually themed with like wildlife and leaves and mushrooms. So this is ideal. These will definitely be going all over my bullet journal this month because the November one is all about mushrooms. And actually, I'm not sure if this is the October box. I think this is the November box. But definitely going to be putting those all over the place. I'm going to put this necklace back right now, though, because you can't see it anyways. I might put this on a shorter chain because I tend to like a closer chain that hangs a little higher. I do wear the longer necklaces, but just less so. All right, next we have a card of some sort. It's hard not to peek at everything. Oh, wow. Eleanor Loreen. We have Nifredil Dorath. Anthelas Kingsfoil. Numenor. These are beautiful. Cymbeline Rohan. Mallory Lothlorien. So this, I'm feeling Lord of the Rings out of this, just from the names, the like Rohan, Lothlorien. Like, this sounds like it's Lord of the Rings. I might be wrong, but it sounds like it. So we'll take a look afterwards to see if I'm right on that front. I'm going to put them back for now, though. This box is already, like, fantastic. I'm definitely getting this again. Okay, next we have a beautiful art card, it looks like. It says Tales from the Hinterlands. Melissa Albert. Oh, this is book 2 of the Hazelwood, which I have right here, this guy. So this is, we read this actually for my first month of book club. It's a really fun book. There's some elements of it that are kind of all over the place. She does a lot of references to other stories like Harry Potter and Narnia and stuff. It's very fun though, and it definitely has a sequel. So I'm guessing this is the spoilery card for the second one. Well, not a spoiler card, for Tales of the Hinterland. And it's talking about the next one. And this would be a beautiful art card based around that. So that I'm definitely going to put up somewhere. Maybe I'll even put it on my little display back here. That's beautiful. Love that. And I like that I know the reference. Next we have a reading planner. Okay, so I'm definitely going to use this next year. So a reading planner from Owlcrate says, I hope you will have a wonderful year, that you will dream dangerously and outrageously, and that will make something that didn't exist before you made it, that you will be loved and that you will be liked, and that you will have people to love and to like in return. And most importantly, because I think there should be more kindness and more wisdom in the world right now, that you will, when you need to be wiser, and that you will always be kind. So that's from Neil Gaiman on the back there. Beautiful. I have a bullet journal, as I just said, so I may not end up using this. I might give it to my mom. Look at that. I might keep it though just because it's really gorgeous, and maybe use it. I don't know if it's actually themed. Oh, okay. I might have to use this. So there's like a favorite books area. I don't know if this is like a yearly thing or if this is just... Okay, so it does have years and months and days. So you can see here it has the month, and then it has, on the next page, it has like a to be read and a wish list. They're assuming I read that much. I read like one book a month at this point. You've got the weekly planner. Oh, pages read. Okay, so you're basically marking down how much you've read each day and then going through. You can give your book reviews for all the books that you've really enjoyed. And then each month there's also like a notes section, which you can add like general feedback and like a monthly wrap-up / favorite quotes. This is probably a bit more in depth than I would go, just because in my bullet journal I already have a spread for our monthly book club book and I barely ever fill it in. But it's super beautiful and I will probably keep it, or I'll give it to someone who can use it. Next we have, wow, so this is actually, do I want to open this yet? Yeah, let's do the book. So, as I thought, this is Among the Beasts and Briar, which unfortunately I already got from my other crate, from the Spearcraft books. But look at this one. This is an exclusive version. So it's an exclusive signed edition. Let me just open this up here. Okay, this copy though, the other copy's really pretty, but actually let me grab it, 1 second. Okay, sorry, ran and got the other copy. So I got a copy in my Spearcraft and a copy in this one. This is the copy that was in the Spearcraft one, which is really beautiful, beautiful cover. It came with a little nameplate that was signed by the author, but it's one of the stick-in ones. Where did I put it? It's at the back, just like that. And I just inserted it on the inside myself afterwards. They kind of give you the option to stick it where you like. This version is gorgeous. So, first of all, I adore this. It has the red pages. You can't beat that. It has the signature already in the book. Like, she's actually, looks like she's hand signed that, or it's been printed in there, which is also amazing. Oh my god, guys. This is amazing. This makes me want to read the book, which is interesting because when I read the description on the book the first time, I wasn't super taken by it, just because I just read the Hazelwood and I was like, okay, it's kind of similar. I was actually worried with my other book box. The theme was Into the Woods, and I was really worried I was going to get the Hazelwood again, which I just read. So I was nervous I was going to get that, and then I got this one. But this version makes me really want to pick it up and read it. I'll just show you some of the inside of the book. So it says, to Oma, who could make flowers bloom. And then, I don't know why I showed you that, there's not much to see. I wonder, actually, if those flowers are from this. They might still be Lord of the Rings. But here's the map. You can see it's really beautifully done. I love a good, beautifully made map. They have the little flowers at the top of the chapters, which is beautiful. And then they've got little swirly things next to the chapter titles, which I love, and each of the character names. I like the way they've set these up. I'm big on typography, and this book is gorgeous. Now this one doesn't have the dust jacket, which is interesting. Nothing against the other box, but definitely I'm really enjoying this one. Otherwise, though, it's pretty much the same book, but without the red, which, I mean, you can't beat the red. I can't decide which cover I like. I think I like this one better just because of the fact that it has that red and I like the dark cover, but this one's also really gorgeous, so that's hard to beat. It came with this little signed book thing. It says, hello, among the beasts and briar is very special to me. I wrote it when I was lost in the way you feel in the center of your stomach, hollow and hungry. But then I met Ceres and Fox, and we found our way out of the woods together. I hope you fall in love with Fox, and I hope you find a piece of yourself in Ceres. I think that's how you say it, Ceres. But most of all, I hope that wherever life takes you, a dandelion tuft on the wind takes you like a dandelion tuft on the wind. You'll find a place to call home wherever you can plant your roots and bloom. I cry very easily, and this is almost tearing me up. It says, P.S. Happy reading, Ashley. And it's like actually signed by the author, clearly written by her. This is beautiful. This box is very special, and I'm very excited to have this. I'm going to put that right back in the book, and we will move on. There's a couple more things in here. Wow, this is a very exciting box. So, last couple things we have in here. We have, oh my goodness, this beautiful pin from Owlcrate. I'll take it out so you can see it without the glare. It's a monthly collector enamel pin. And it's a bear with flowers on it. You can kind of see it if I, maybe? It's like a lot of glare right now. Here, I'm going to turn this light off. See if that helps. Come on, I know you can do it. There, that's a bit better. You can kind of see it. But it is really pretty. I'm definitely going to add that. I have a little cat one that my friend Sam got me, so I'm definitely going to put this with it. Really pretty. And then the last thing we have in here says, Love is a Battlefield, flip for a sneak peek, theme for December's box. Really pretty card. Their art cards are just to die for. Okay, so for every December box will include an item from Fiction Bath Company. And then it says, P.S. if you're already subscribed, your account will automatically renew. So we'll see another one of these next month. I will definitely do this again. And yeah, so there's going to be a little bath bomb in there at some point. I don't have a bath, but my mom does, so I'll just sneak up there and use it if there's a bath product. Yeah, so for the items we had, let me just see here what my favorite was. And let's just check actually what those were. Okay, first of all, this one is the Wooden Flower Press Kit. It's designed and created by Peppermint Lines, inspired by A Darker Shade of Magic, which I need to read. That one keeps coming up. It's like the third time I've heard of it. Then we have the reading planner. That one is Blue Star Press. And that one's for 2021. But I think you can really use it whenever. It doesn't have specific dates in it. So I could potentially use this on top of my regular planner if I wanted to. Then we have pipes, and to go with your new planner from Pipe Sticks, they created a set of planner stickers. So that's the little mushroom stickers, which is going to go straight in my November journal. We have the foil box featuring the Wild Beauty Quote, and that is designed by Studio Kyra, and that's a beautiful little dandelion pendant. Gorgeous. I will probably put it on a shorter chain, but I do adore it. Then we have Rhiannon Ormond, who did some Tolkien-inspired art cards. So those are Lord of the Rings postcards, which is amazing. I might mail those, but I might just keep them and display them because they're gorgeous. And then we have the book of the month, which is Among the Beast and Briar by Ashley Poston. I guess I should read the description. We'll do that after. And that one's a signed edition with an exclusive cover with a wrap with sprayed edges, which are to die for. And it has a reverse dust jacket with the artwork just for our edition. You'll also find a letter from the author included as well. And let's see here. If you're anything like us, then you too will soon be adoring. Sorry. The last thing was the Among the Beasts and Briar Morgan Brett Shop pin. So this was made by Morgan Brett Shop. And that's the enamel pin that goes with the book. So really beautiful. I love this. Let me just find the book again. And we'll read the jacket. So, Sirius is safe in the kingdom of Oloria. Here there is no droughts, disease, or famines, and peace is everlasting. It has been this way for hundreds of years, since the first king made a bargain with the lady who ruled the forest that bordered the kingdom. Oloria, I'm just going with that, prospers. The woods grow dark, cursed, and forbidden. Sirius knows all too well. When she was young, she barely escaped as the woods killed her friends and her mother. Now Sirius carries a small bit of the curse, the magic, in her blood, a reminder of the day she lost everything. As a new queen is crowned, however, things long hidden in the woods descend on the kingdom itself. Sirius is forced on the run, her only companion a small and irritating fox from the royal garden, and the magic in her veins. It's up to her to find the legendary Lady of the Wild and beg for a way to save her home. But the road is dark and more dangerous than she knows. And as secrets from the past are uncovered amid the teeth and roots of the forest, it's going to take everything she has just to survive. So, as I said, wasn't my first choice, but I'm very excited to read this. I'm definitely going to put it up on our book poll for next month and then see if anyone wants to read it. I do a book club every month, so that will be on there. So that is everything that was in here. There's a little thing at the bottom. Here, I'll just dump out the rest. That just says, enjoy your adventure. And we certainly shall. I will definitely do another one of these next month. And you let me know in the comments which was your favorite thing that was in the box. And if there's anything that you would have done differently or things that you didn't like in the box. Personally, I like everything that came in this box this month. The planner is beautiful. For anyone else, it would be great. But for me, obviously, I already have my bullet journal, so I don't plan on using that really. But I might find a home for it. I might just display it because it's really pretty. Or I may give it to someone who might actually use it. And yeah, everything else in here was gorgeous. I especially like the flower press, the stickers, the little pin, and the book is just gorgeous. So favorite items would probably be those. The art cards are also, there's just so many good things. Anyways, you guys have a great day and let me know what you like the best in the comments. And don't forget to smash the like button. Take care.